Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DRich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, DRich.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is DRich and today is May 18th, 2022. Happy Wednesday, folks. Happy hump day, wherever you may be. And again, as always, we hope that this video finds everyone in good health, good spirits, good energy. So thank you guys for tuning in to yesterday's video. As always, I appreciate you. Appreciate your kind comments and things like that. Make sure you hit the like button on the way in for today's video. And without further ado, we're going to get into some of the things that are discovered along the way, so we can always give you a presentation on them, so that you are up to date. Ledger Connect, and this is coming from ledger.com. So this is a browser extension which is coming soon, and then if you are a iPhone person, you can sign up for the beta. So I want to make sure you guys are up to date with this. These are some of the things that you should know. Their mission is to become your easiest and most secure way to experience Web3. That's why we just announced the upcoming launch of Ledger Connect, which is their new multi-chain browser extension for Safari that will greatly simplify your crypto life. Okay, so simply with Ledger Connect, it also will enable you to seamlessly connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your favorite Web3 app without the need for third-party wallet dependencies. Ledger Connect will also add a new security layer called Web3 Check, and when a Web3 app will look suspicious, Ledger Connect will automatically warn you about the potential security risk. And at launch, Ledger Connect will be also compatible with your Ledger Nano X and mobile Safari. Support for the Ledger Nano S Plus, as well as your desktop, will come later. Ledger Connect will be compatible with both ETH and Sol at beta launch, for gradually expanding to other protocols. And then they also will value your opinion, and you can already sign up for the beta test now by clicking here. Okay, the registration will start soon. Participating in the beta test requires a Ledger Nano X and an iOS smartphone, which is probably your iPhone. Okay, so here, this is what it will support: multiple blockchains. You can look at that there, read that there, check out these videos here on YouTube. You can check what they're saying out. And again, here, this is what you do. This is the sign up for the beta. If you want to do that, I encourage you to at least give it a shot, to see what it is, and keep your assets secure, doing things differently, so that you can have full independence over how you decide to be your own bank. So that is important, to make sure you get you a ledger of some sort, or a hardware wallet, maybe two, maybe three. Make sure that you have your codes and secret phrases, keywords, safe and secure. Write them down, and always make sure that those are somewhere hidden in a black book. So there that is, folks. We want to make sure you got that news. But here from newsjournal.com, Algorand back in the news again. Wormhole, which is the generic cross-chain messaging protocol, announced today that it has launched support for Algorand, which is a proof of stake, okay, PPOS, pure proof of stake blockchain with an extremely robust decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem. Now developers can leverage the Wormhole SDK to build decentralized applications, which are DApps, as well as protocols that can move value seamlessly across 9 major blockchain networks without fees. Pretty good to know that. Wormhole protocol underpins the cross-chain portal bridge for layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains, including Algorand, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Phantom Oasis, Polygon, Solana, and Terra. When tokens or NFTs are bridged through the portal bridge, the origin token is locked in a smart contract, while a new portal wrap version of that token gets minted on the target chain. Portal wrap tokens can be swapped for assets on the target chain and used to participate in DeFi on the biggest blockchain networks. So what I'm assuming, okay, this is pure speculation on my behalf, is that as we see Stellar adopting different bridges and things like that, and I do believe some of those Ethereum assets are going to be bridged onto the Stellar network. Well, I am starting to wonder if this will be going on with Algorand. So you can read the rest of this here. That is going to be left in the description for you folks to read. But we want to go and check out Wormhole. This is wormholenetwork.com. The best of blockchains move information and value anywhere. You got 684 million in total value locked, 9 chain integrations. All right, so when I look at this and come to my own thought as I look at it, are these assets being bridged over to the Algorand blockchain? You would have to ask yourself these questions just as anybody should or would. Protocol, which is the core layer, the foundation that an ecosystem of apps built on top of. Here you have those Wormhole core layer, cross-chain of everything. And I guess what I'm assuming, going back to what this article said, if you swap that, it's wrapped and it goes to another blockchain and it's minted in that blockchain. I don't know if that make any sense, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But this is what the appearance of it looks like, folks. So I'm only speculating that this is happening, and they're creating their own ecosystem per se of assets that they can be interoperable with and able to cross chains, hop chains, whatever, bridge chains, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same if they're compatible in one nature or the other. So here are some apps, endless possibilities. All right, Portal, a token bridge, and here are some Portal assets and exchanges and things like that, and stable swaps. And you could take a look at those assets if you choose to do so. And I do believe a lot of these assets will, again, have value. We don't know what those values are. So anyone that believes in certain assets, don't necessarily call it a shitcoin because we don't know. Okay, and I like to proceed with caution when it comes to just being reserved to letting things play out as we see Flare. We see Flare Network with different assets coming under their kind of like their umbrella, if you want to say that. And then here, cross-chain is everything, and you can read the rest of this, folks, for yourself and come to use discernment. If you have any ideas of what you think, I would like to hear them in the comments in the description below. So, and we'll communicate about it, and you can give me some ideas. I'm open to communication, so I'd like to hear from you. So all of these different blockchains, cross-chain, everything, interesting. So this is portalbridge.com. This is the token bridge. Portal is a bridge that offers unlimited transfers across chains for tokens and NFTs wrapped by Wormhole. Unlike many other bridges, you can avoid double wrapping and never have to retrace your steps. You can read the frequently asked questions, the stats, Wormhole itself, and then here is what it looks like is another DEX of some sort, and there that is. And if you connect, you're going to have these wallets, all right, or install these wallets here for those to get active. So there you go. This is the Portal Bridge. So just want to make sure you guys see this as well. So if you guys are interested in it, it's just here for you guys to look at. So anyway, we want to also keep up with some traditional news and things that are going on. Again, SEC Gensler warns Americans are diverting savings to speculative crypto assets, says market needs investor protection. This was about 21 hours ago, and this is from usmarkettoday.com. Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler reiterated his intention to bring cryptocurrency exchanges and leading platforms into its regulatory purview during a speech before the North American Securities Administrators Association on Tuesday. Over the past, several bank executives have shared their personal Over the past year, several bank executives have shared their personal concerns with me about the sheer number of depositors who have moved money from their bank accounts into crypto-related exchanges and wallets. So these bankers are getting concerned, ladies and gentlemen, that we are moving away from traditional finance, and they don't like it. In other words, I think there needs to be bring greater investor protection to crypto markets. Gensler added, central to the crypto trading or lending platforms where investors buy, sell, and lend, give or take 100 billion of crypto assets a day. So they want to have their hand in the cookie jar as well. So if they're not getting any, they're kind of getting upset. Okay, that's just the way it goes. All right. So here, what they want to do, the activity centralized on those platforms. They need the investor protection, the market integrity, and anti-manipulation rules that govern markets for other financial assets. Gensler said, I think the problem is right now that the public isn't well protected, and there's a lot of folks who are going to get hurt. Well, the folks that are going to get hurt, ladies and gentlemen, are these folks, the bank executive that are complaining. That's why they stop your buying of assets with your bank account. They come to you and say, hey, why are you depositing money into our bank account, our bank, from crypto exchanges or whatnot? And we have our on and off ramps, and everyone should, but find different ways to go around that. Because if we as people learn to move away from the banking system, then we're going to learn how to have true financial freedom. Freedom from having them to stop our bank from moving money, depositing money, withdrawing money, etc. You get the idea. But move your money off and do not give your money back to them. Okay? And we're going to use their on and off ramps that are available. Okay? Until otherwise, because their systems do not work for us. And I do have like other accounts. Say for instance, if you want to get you a Chime account, that is pretty basic and simple. There's no middleman, there's no third party or anything like that, and pretty much it's free. So anyway, lastly, before we get to the CoinGecko market cap, POW, the Fed's fight against inflation, which may be bringing pain. Find it funny that all of this stuff is coming out on the 17th, which was yesterday, folks. Anyway, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell warned Tuesday the U.S. could feel some pain as the central bank raises its interest rates to fight inflation, insisting the Fed will do whatever it takes to curb price growth. And during this live interview, the Wall Street Journal Future of Everything, Powell said that the Fed will continue to raise interest rates until inflation starts to fall and the forces driving prices higher fade as far as the prices are concerned. There was something else that he said that really kind of triggered me. Not really triggered me on this. Let me see where that is. Here. See, they wanted to raise the rates earlier. We were looking at some weak employment reports, and we were looking at inflation reports that were coming down. And when that stopped, then the data started pointing towards a sort of stronger economy with higher inflationary pressures. The wage pressures, we didn't hesitate from that point. So what they want to do is bring down the economy. And when you raise the rates, and we've talked about this in the past, that's how you're going to bring down the economy, okay? That's how you're going to bring it down. So kind of use discernment of your trading, your investments, and things like that, because they're going to bring it down, okay? It's going to come down, and it's going to come down rapid. And He also goes on to state that there could be some pain involved restoring price stability, but we think we can maintain a strong labor market, defined as a labor market where unemployment is low and wages are moving up. It may not be the perfect labor market, he continued, noting that unemployment rate may rise slightly from its current 3.6%, but it will be strong labor market. I doubt that. I think that people don't want to deal with these folks anymore. They're manipulating the system, as you read from the other article, as far as investor protection. And most people, they won't realize that raising the rates is going to have a huge impact economically when it comes to their traditional markets. But that's why we have the parallel market, which is the crypto market being built in process of their destruction, or them destroying themselves. Anyway, the coin market cap right now is 1.3 trillion, which is a 4.3% decrease over the last day. We have Bitcoin dominance 42.5, Ethereum 18.2. World Bitcoin is right now sitting at $29,039.80. Ethereum just under 2,000, 1958.91. While USDC is continuing to move up in market cap value, $52.2 billion market cap. BNB 292.20. XRP at 40 cents, almost on the hill of 41 cents there. And folks, I can't tell you too much more. If you need to get that XRP accumulated and acquired, now is the time to really do so, to really put yourself where you need to be. BUSD continue to move up, and again, I continue to tell you, keep an eye on these two. These two are in the batter's box, and I do believe that they will find themselves on the wrong end of things at some point, as they do their calculations or their audits. Cardano 52 cents, Solana $50.61. Dogecoin back into the top 10, ladies and gentlemen, 8 cents, and Polkadot $9.88 at the number 11 spot. And as we can see, we moved down. It looks like the market might take a little hit. And again, XLM 13 cents, Algorand, which we just spoke of, 44 cents. Let's see what else we want to talk about. We got Hedera HBAR, 9 pennies, almost 10 pennies there. VeChain, wow, look at that price there. Oof. And let's see what else we got here, ladies and gentlemen. As far as the prices are concerned, do your due diligence. And again, this is never financial advice. 35 cents for IOTA, Quant 68.33. It's just a load up time if you can, if you have the opportunity to do so. Gala Games 7 cents. And that is it for the 100, but we want to go ahead and check on our other one, which is XDC, just at 4 pennies. And again, use discernment, accumulate, acquire, and never hesitate to continue to reach your goals, because at the end of the day, you do not want to tell yourself, I just didn't have enough. And sometimes when you think you have enough, you're going to come to a time where you're going to say, I wish I had bought a little bit more at those prices. Anyway, folks, have a great rest of your Wednesday. We'll be back tomorrow with some more news, more information, what have you. But I, again, appreciate all of you for always tuning in to the videos. Be sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel. I appreciate you guys. And make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Other than that, God bless, take care, and as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.